In this playlist, we'll connect a PCIe endpoint to the Icicle kit and check that we can access it from Linux. To complete the steps shown in this playlist, you'll need the Icicle kit reference design tag version 2020.12 or later programmed into your kit. If you're not sure how to update to this version of the design, watch our video called Getting Back to Factory Defaults. You'll also need a provided Linux image. In this case, we use Yocto release version 2021.02. And finally, you'll need a PCIe endpoint to test. For this playlist, we use an NVMe drive connected to the PCIe header. To program and test your board, ensure that the power cable is connected to the power connector shown. For programming and debug, a micro USB cable should be connected to port J33 on the left of the board. To access the MSS UART connections, connect a micro USB cable to port J11 on the right of the board. If you need to program the eMMC, you can use a micro USB cable connected to port J16 at the top of the board. All of the connections are shown here. Finally, to connect a PCIe endpoint, connect this to the PCIe root port connector on the board.